Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing fine. Today we will be doing question answers of unit number 3, Daffodils. Daffodils was already included in our previous grade 9 old English book, and it is also included in our new PTB English book. But in that old book it was as chapter number 5, but right now it is mentioned as unit number 3. Okay, this poem is written by William Wordsworth. Okay, and William Wordsworth is very much famous as a nature lover poet, and most of his poetry is about nature. We will read the poem, but today our main focus is on the question answers. And in new curriculum, the board has given most of the time importance on so much about the analytical questions. So you can see that there are many question answers. They are given within the poem like this. Every stanza of the poem is having almost 3 questions. So this first stanza, it has 3 questions. Then comes to the second stanza, which also has another 1, 2 questions. Then the third stanza is having 3 questions, and the last stanza is also having 3 questions. So total they are 11 questions. And now I will give you the answers of all these question answers.
One. Who is the speaker in the poem, and what is he doing in the beginning? Ends. The speaker is the poet, and he is wandering alone. Question 2. What natural element is the speaker being compared to in the first line? Answer. The speaker is compared to a cloud. Question 3. Where does the speaker encounter the daffodils, and how are they described? Answer. He encounters them beside a lake, and they are golden and fluttering. Question number 4. How does the poet describe the number of daffodils? Answer. They are described as countless, like stars in the Milky Way. Question number 5. What action are the daffodils performing in the breeze? Answer. The daffodils are dancing in the breeze. Question 6. How do the waves beside the daffodils compare to the daffodils themselves? Answer. The daffodils outshine the sparkling waves. Question 7. What effect do the daffodils have on the poet's mood? Answer is, they fill the poet with happiness and joy. Question 8 is, what does the poet mean by jocund company? Answer is very simple. It means cheerful and lively companionship. Then comes question number 9. What happens when the poet lies on his couch in a vacant or pensive mood? Answer is, the memory of daffodils brings him bliss and peace. Question number 10. What is the inward eye that the poet mentions? And the answer is, it refers to his imagination or memory. The last question is question number 11. How does the memory of the daffodils affect the poet in the end? Answer is, it brings him joy and solitude whenever he remembers them. These questions were taken from the text of the poem, Daffodils, which is written by William Wordsworth. Still there are many questions answers, which I will share with you in my next video. Hopefully this video will be very helpful to you all. Follow my channel, like and subscribe, and don't forget to share my video with your friends. Take care.